As a student at the Rawls College of Business, you are a member of one of the most innovative and exciting colleges in the country. With its unique design and contemporary style, the Rawls College of Business provides students with spacious indoor study areas, beautiful atriums with open-style architecture, outside patios exquisitely decorated with eco-friendly plants, and classrooms and meeting rooms equipped with the latest technology for enhanced student learning experiences. This magnificent building was made possible by a $25 million donation by Jerry Rawls, a 1967 Texas Tech alumni and current CEO and chairman of Finisar Corporation. His generous contribution has made it possible for thousands of Rawls College of Business students to pursue their dreams in a building that is stylish, environmentally friendly, and unique in design. As a student, it is an honor and a responsibility to maintain the look and feel of the Rawls College of Business so that future students may enjoy their experiences here as well.
Protect the Rawls College of Business.
Protect the Rawls College of Business.
Protect the Rawls College of Business.
Protect the Rawls College of Business.